Yes, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change keyboard language on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to take you back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, go down and tap on General Management. And then tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. In here, tap on Languages and Types. Next, tap on Manage Input Languages. And here, if you want to add in more languages, just simply go down the list here and select a language that you want to use. Or you can use the search button to look for your language. And then turn it on. Once it is turned on, you can see here in the list, now there are 2 selected languages. And to change the language on the keyboard, you tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Open up the app that you want to use and bring up the keyboard. To change the language, you can swipe across on the spacebar like this. And in here, I can type in a different language now. Or you can use this language icon and touch and hold on the language icon. And from the list, you can select a different language. And that's it. So that is how you can change a language on your keyboard, on the Samsung keyboard. Now, if you go back into settings, and in manage languages, back out here, and down here, you can tap on language switching methods. In here, you can choose to show the language key, spacebar swipe, or both. And if I choose the language, the spacebar swipe, you can see that on my keyboard now, I have more space for the spacebar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.